Hello, this is Kidron Tirey of the Chickpea Christian. Today we are making a scrumptious, plant-based burger patty. Let's pop into the kitchen and get started. Look in the description box below for the written recipe. Puree the contents of one standard-sized can of cannellini beans into a bowl with one chopped, boiled, and whipped potato. Set this aside. Chop half yellow onion and one portabella mushroom, and add this to your air fryer with 20 baby carrots and one red bell pepper. Or bake in your oven at 385 degrees for 30 minutes. If you are using an air fryer, these can cook for 15 minutes at 370 degrees. Once the veggies are finished cooking, add them to a food processor. Add one standard size can of roasted yellow corn, 2 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1.5 tablespoons minced garlic, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, the zest and juice of 1 lemon. I'm partial to the Meyer lemon, but any one will do. 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, and 1 cup of dry whole oats. Instant oats are fine as well. Puree all of these ingredients until combined. You may have to take the lid off and scrape down the sides with a rubber spatula. Puree once more. Next, add these ingredients to your original bowl of mashed potatoes and cannellini beans. We are almost done with this recipe. I hope you're hanging in there. Add 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1.5 teaspoons paprika. Stir with a large spoon or spatula until combined. These can be cooked in the oven on parchment paper and a baking sheet, or in a skillet that is oven proof. I happen to really enjoy this non-stick surface, so I am placing these patties in the oven at 385 degrees for 30 minutes. The color is as vibrant as the flavor. I really hope you enjoy these. Please subscribe for more videos and have a wonderful day.